Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am doing a designer series paper reveal with the new mini catalog. This is the Stampin' Up! Painted Christmas 12 by 12 designer series paper. This paper includes colors like Calypso Coral, Cherry Cobbler, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Evening Evergreen, Garden Green, Pear Pizzazz, Real Red, Soft Seafoam, and Soft Succulent. You can see there's those excellent patterns that are very Christmassy or wintry, but there's also some great patterns that are just sort of your everyday greenery or fun little patterns like this that you could use for any occasion, which I super love. So I'm going to go through each sheet of this so you can see the full 12 by 12 design and pick out your favorite one. Let me know what it is in the comments below, and I'll share with you my favorite at the very end. Okay, so are you loving the Painted Christmas 12 by 12 designer series paper? Which one is your favorite? I would have to say I really love the pine cones here, but I'm actually loving these two red prints as well as this green print. I know they're not like the most scream out like Christmas prints, but to me, those are the ones that stand out to me that are super fun. And I think it's because right now it's not quite Christmas season. So I'm not really thinking of Christmas, and I think they would be really great patterns for all occasions, which is always awesome because then I feel like I can use the paper longer than just within that season. So I hope you guys enjoyed this designer series paper reveal. Be sure to check out all my other designer series paper reveals. I have an entire playlist of those. And if you want inspiration on how to use this paper as well as other products from Stampin' Up, check out my blog, laurastamppad.com. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Happy stamping!